Hey guys, it's me, Rachel, and I'm back with my sister. Part 3 of the Extreme Play-Doh Challenge. And I get to pick this time, right? Yeah. Don't I get to pick? Yeah. How much more do we have? We have a lot more. What is it? The pineapple. Pineapple bean. I feel like it'll be easy to use all my utensils. Okay. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, plus 3. You get the neon yellow. Has to be 3D. I'm gonna start off with making my bottom. Rock bottom. I'll make SpongeBob's house. Oh yeah. I'll make SpongeBob's house. It's gonna be all good. Has to be 3D. It's gonna be all good in the hood. Is that what a pineapple looks like? I think so. That's what a pineapple looks like. Just so you know, I just saw a video on pineapples, so yeah, not to mention. God, this is not fair. Give it little spikes on it, right? Little spike things on it. Candidate, whoa! I'm like leaning onto your chair. I'm so sorry. What the? I feel like she's gonna win. I don't even know what she's doing, but I feel like she's gonna win. Oh, I didn't use my spoon. Maybe I'll flatten this out some more with the spoon. Tap it. It will go off anyway. Just don't waste your time, please. I don't want you to waste your time. Put the lid on. If you ever need to, just use mine. Baby. Smile. I'm gonna use a fork for this. Work. I'm just gonna give you texture. I'm trying to give you texture. Give this pineapple texture. I'm not very good at that texture. Texture, man. What the frick? This isn't. Wait, time. Put it down. It fell. Go. Okay. Yeah. So what I have going on here is I have a pineapple with a little face. Yeah. And then I don't know who won. And then mine is this little like pineapple thing. I don't even know if it looks like a pineapple. Yours wins because you put a face and yours actually looks like a pineapple, shaped like a pineapple. I didn't even try the shape. Like I just shaped it like a big pile of pieces. Did you use it? You win. I did use all my utensils. Yes. Freaking sold myself. I was gonna do a crown around it with like spikes, but then I'd feel. So okay, right. Next one. Wait, I need to refold these. That's okay. Just don't look. What I got is a binky. I got the freaking hardest one. So we're gonna look at this because we have an example right next to us. Nook passy. Okay, ready? We do not know. Set. Are you ready? Ready? Steady. Go. Ready, steady, steady, go. I actually have an advantage because I did this in my other channel. I did this on my channel. I did the Play-Doh challenge, and one of them was a binky. And so I kind of have an advantage, but I kind of forgot of how I did it, so I kind of don't have an advantage anymore. Yeah, okay. So how we round this and flatten it and make it look like a passy, like, binky part of it. It doesn't have to be the same shape and stuff like that, right? I'm actually proud of myself. Pretty good. Pretty good. Use all your utensils, remember? Oh my gosh. I'm like speeding up so fast. Freaking a lot of time left. I'm using the fork to fork. We have 50 seconds left. That's not a lot. That's like a minute though. Actually, it is kind of a lot. Try to make mine just like that. I think I got everything. What? Just to be safe in my little pink thing.
Final touches.
I'm gonna use every single utensil in this last one. Just to be safe, because I don't know if I used everything.
What did you use your fork on?
The little passy thing right there. I can't get it off.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And
This is really good.
can you show mine? Okay. So what I literally made a duplicate of this. Like I tried to make it as best as this, but we didn't have white. So I'm actually pretty impressed. So I have this part, the sucker part, the little holes, and then it's like.
Oh, you have the holes. I forgot about the freaking holes.
And then I have like this yellow part, and then I have the.
Can I make the holes?
No.
Okay, my turn. Okay,
Hey,
so
that's pretty good.
I have this really weird, like, looking sucker part, and then I have the front, which I use the knife to carve this out, and then I put this.
Can I go get Harper?
I'm gonna go get Harper and see how she looks. I'm gonna take the sucker part off.
Don't take my sucker part. Hello, Miss Harper, and I'm gonna try it.
Okay, I'm gonna try my best. Y'all don't know who Harper is. She's my reborn baby. Okay. Oh,
No,
Harper.
it fell off.
She's
I
gonna
won't
try
fix
mine.
that because it fell off.
I'm just gonna shove that in her mouth. Shove the purple part in her mouth. Get in there. She doesn't like this
Which one?
purple part.
Okay, which one won?
I don't know. I think yours did. Because yours actually stays together. Yours won, definitely. Yours was better than mine.
Okay, well, we're going to make a part 3, 4, part 4.